Hi, I'm Anya, the Events Development Manager at the Maritime Museum of BC. It's been a while since I got to talk about clothing, and what a treat! This textile object is part of our military uniform collection. It may not be what you were expecting. Military uniforms are very specific. Naval uniforms in particular have been codified over centuries, and this looks just like a really nice waterproof jacket with an enviable hood and visor that would be great for our Victoria winters. And it is. A set of uniform pieces that are appropriate for a specific occasion are referred to by a dress number, and all issued pieces would be part of a service member's kit. I'm referencing the 1951 edition of Uniform Instructions for the Royal Canadian Navy. Waterproof coats may be worn by men wearing Class 1 and Class 2 uniforms when on duty and on leave in cool, wet weather. This is a unique kit item, allowed for specific roles, and you could wear it with your uniform in the right circumstances. In this case, the right weather. This jumper was owned by Commander MacGregor Fullerton McIntosh, who joined in 1947 and retired as Queen's Harbour Master Esquimalt in 1985. He was part of the Naval Aviation branch. We also have his flight suit, another unique kit item.